بارش ہو رہی ہے جی، بہت تیز، مزہ آ رہا ہے، بہت مزہ آ رہا ہے جی، بہت مزہ آ رہا ہے. Welcome back to Shafia's kitchen, viewers. Today the weather is very nice, lovely and charming. We are going to barbecue chicken legs. Let's start and let me tell you the ingredients of this barbecue. For this we need garam masala, chaat masala, black pepper powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt. We have taken 1 kilogram chicken legs. We have applied cuts like this so that spices can absorb easily in these cuts. Lemon juice, ginger and garlic paste, half cup yogurt and cooking oil. And if you want to use food color, you can use, and I am going to use also. Take one bowl, big bowl, and put all the spices in this bowl. Ginger and garlic paste also. Lemon juice. Small food color. And mix all the spices. I'm going to marinate all the chicken legs with these spices. You see, like this. Apply all the spices one by one. Make sure that spices enter into the cuts. Look at the color. It is our first marination. After that, I will put yogurt in this bowl and cooking oil. I forgot to tell you that we will keep these chicken legs for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes have completed. This was our first marinations. So I am going to do second marination. I will use the same pot and put cooking oil in this pot and yogurt also. Mix it properly. Yogurt in this cooking oil. Now I am going to start second marination. I am going to apply this yogurt on these legs like this. Yogurt. Put all the legs in this material and apply yogurt one by one on these legs. Viewers, I have marinated all the chicken legs in this material, and we will keep these chicken legs in the fridge for whole night. We will come back tomorrow, inshallah. Welcome back again to Shafia's kitchen. Yesterday we marinated chicken legs and kept them in the fridge overnight so that spices are well mixed in the chicken. Our fire is ready. Now I will put these chicken legs one by one on this charcoal grill. Of these legs have made the environment very pleasant. So I am going to put these chicken legs one by one on this hot grill. You see, our fire is ready. The aroma of these chicken legs is everywhere. So I will rotate and change the position of the legs after 2 or 3 minutes. Apply oil, cooking oil, so that meat will be tender. You see, very nice color. Look at the color of these legs. Because some chicken legs are ready, now I am going to put more legs. Very delicious. You have to rotate continuously. The weather is very charming. Look at the smoke. The aroma of these chicken legs is everywhere. Only 3 legs are left and I am sweating. It is very difficult to stand in front of the fire, but we have to do this to enjoy this weather. Viewers, our barbecue chicken legs are ready. You can see the color of these legs, very nice color, and the chicken is cooked properly inside. I'm going to taste. Very nice and delicious. Viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, Shafia's channels. Allah Hafiz, Allah Nigeban.